Hello. Welcome to a crash course on Java Part 5. This course has been created by Jaysmito Mukherjee, and the voice is of Microsoft David Desktop English, United States. As already mentioned in the previous video, from this video we are going to dive into fundamentals of Java. For this video we are going to start with Java character set. Stay until the end for a bonus. Please subscribe to the channel for more free courses like this, and like and share this video, as sharing knowledge is great. By the way, one important thing before we proceed: if you feel that this course is good and you would like to check out other parts of this course, or if you haven't seen the previous part about choosing an IDE for Java, please click the link in the top right corner to check the contents of the course. Now to start with, what is a character set? Not Java character set, just character set. So, a character set is a group of characters. And each character has a code either in integers or hexadecimal. Now what is Java character set? The answer is Java character set means the set of all characters that are supported by Java. So, unlike older languages which use ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, supporting only 256 characters. Here you can see the table containing all the ASCII characters. It's in two parts. This is the first part, having characters from 0 to 127. And this is the second part, having characters from 128 to 255. Now let's get back. Java uses the latest one, which is Unicode, which represents characters of almost all the languages of the world. Unicode supports 65,536 characters. Now one important thing. The first 256 characters in both ASCII and Unicode is exactly same. So, you may find that while coding we are mostly dealing with ASCII, as all the English alphabets, digits, special characters lie in this common 256. Now the bonus, I am going to show you how to check out the Unicode characters too. For this there is a website which I find perfect. This is the URL, so, for checking out the Unicodes you can go to this website. It's the Gorza's Unicode table. The ASCII code table can be represented in two images, but Unicode has almost 65,000 characters. You can go to this website and check FOT the Unicodes. On hovering the mouse over a character you can see its code. Now an important announcement: the upcoming video will be on Java tokens. So please stay updated on this course and never miss a video, otherwise you will face confusions. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask it in the comments sections, you will be surely answered within a day. Please subscribe to the channel for all updates on this course. If you have any problems with this course, please write in the comments section. Like this video, and if you feel something is wrong, feel free to write in the comments and dislike the video. Thank you for watching this video.